Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group 18 and we are going to present about Media Prima Berhad, which is one of the companies listed on Bursa Malaysia. Introducing our group members.
Let's get started with the company history.
Media Prima Berhad is a Malaysian media and entertainment company based in Petaling Jaya, Selangor. It is Malaysia's largest media and entertainment business. Media Prima Berhad is Malaysia's top fully integrated media organisation with operations in television, print, radio, out-of-home advertising, content development and digital media. It is listed on the main board of Bursa Malaysia. Media Prima was formed in 2003 as a consequence of the demerger of Malaysian Resources Corporation Berhad (MRCB) Media Holdings, especially System Television Malaysia Berhad TV3 and the New Straits Times Press Malaysia Berhad, which the latter had held since 1993. Media Prima retains its number one position in television with its 4 stations, which are TV3, 8TV and TV7 and TV9. Wowshop, Malaysia's fastest growing home shopping network, is based at Media Prima, as is Tonton, Malaysia's first and most popular video streaming platform. Pinewood Studio, which is Malaysia's largest content creation firm, is also owned by the group. Media Prima owns the New Straits Times Press Malaysia Berhad, Malaysia's largest publisher with 3 national news brands, which are New Straits Times, Berita Harian and Harian Metro. In radio, Media Prima Audio aspires to be Malaysia's number one audio broadcaster in all 3 vernaculars, Malay, English and Chinese, by delivering the greatest content that Malaysians find appealing. Hot FM, Bulletin FM, Fly FM and 8FM are the 4 broadcast brands owned by Media Prima Audio. The group vision is to be the leading digital-first content and commerce company. Their vision now is their current position because Media Prima now is the Malaysia's largest media and entertainment company, and the group presently ranks 3rd in Malaysia in digital reach following the 2017 acquisition of REV Asia Holdings, one of the Southeast Asia's leading digital media groups. Next, their mission is to enrich life by informing, entertaining and engaging across all media with all of their platforms, which are television channels, radio stations and many more. They are able to entertain their customers.
Next, the company's products and services. For the Media Prima Television Networks, it is the nation's most watched TV channels for the latest updates in news and current affairs, phenomenal entertainment shows, the best local and Asian dramas, insightful religious programs, and innovative home shopping experience, and also a variety of other exciting content for the whole family. Besides that, Media Prima Television Networks also streams all of its original content for free on multiple digital platforms such as Tonton, YouTube and Facebook. They own and operate 4 free-to-air television channels, each of them functioning under their own branding and subsidiaries, which are TV3, NTV7, ATV, TV9 and Wowshop. Next, New Straits Times Press Group is Malaysia's most prominent media platform, which established in 1845. It has built an undisputed reputation as a credible source of authoritative journalism, amassing a huge reach of loyal readers by both the print and digital offerings. The 3 main offerings, namely New Straits Times, Berita Harian and Harian Metro. Next, REV Media Group, formerly known as Media Prima Digital, is the leading digital publisher in Malaysia, representing over 30 top authority brands with an extensive distribution network that reach out to more than 15 million people each month, about 75% of Malaysia's internet population. They believe in harnessing the power of data and technology to deliver engaging content that matters the most to the audience across multiple languages and platforms. Media Prima also is leading Malaysia's out-of-home advertising industry, represented by the Big 3 Group comprising Big 3 Outdoor, Kurnia Outdoor and many more. The platform offers integrated out-of-home advertising solutions across multiple concessions in cities, expressway, transit network, retail hubs and airports, which include static and digital media formats, together with on-ground experiential strategies. The Big Tree Group institutes creativity and innovation in beautifying cityscapes and public amenities to promote a sustainable ecosystem. Next, this company represented by 4 radio stations, which are Hot FM, Bulletin FM, Fly FM, and 8 FM. Audio Plus is also a component of the organization's digital listening strategy, which includes a super app that all 4 radio stations are supported, as well as podcasts and other interesting content.
Main competitors of Media Prima. These are the main competitors of Media Prima based on the categories. First, TV channel, Astrea. Astrea is 24-hour Southeast Asian television channel broadcasting in Bahasa Malaysia that is only available through Astrea satellite television. It was one of the first 22 channels making its debut in 1996. Astrea provides news, locals and Indonesian dramas, movies, reality shows, sports, talk shows, cartoon, concert, comedy shows, documentaries, cooking show, quizzes, and more. In 2003, Astrea aired the first episode of Academy Fantasia, a show based on Mexican television. 12 singers competed for the title of winner in the competition. The show is so popular in Malaysia and Brunei that it has caused spin-off in Indonesia and Thailand. Astrea also hosts various British annual entertainment events such as the Era Awards, Malaysia Film Festival, and Space Series Award. Next, radio station Era. Era is a Malaysian language radio station managed by Astro Radio Cedar Berhad. The radio station broadcasts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The radio station started broadcasting on August 1, 1998. In recent years, the station has played a wider range of music from 1980s to the present, but it now focuses on Malaysian and worldwide hit songs, which include Korean songs. There are also regional stations in Kota Kinabalu and Kuching. With over 4.8 million listeners, Era FM managed to remain Malaysia's most popular Malay language radio station in 2015. Era also have a lot of programs including Johara Pagi Era, Hit Era, Gempak Hit Era, Petang Era, Trending Hit Era, and the others. Next competitor for the news, The Star. The Star is an English language newspaper published in Malaysia. It was founded in 1971 as regional newspaper in Penang based in Petaling Jaya. It is Malaysia's largest English language paid newspaper in terms of circulation. It has a daily circulation of approximately 250,000 as of January 2017, far exceeding that of the New Straits Times, the next largest paid competitor in English, which has a circulation of about 65,000. The Star published news in a variety of categories including business, sports, market watch, metro lifestyle, food, technology, and many more.
Malaysia's largest Holy Media Group is proud to report the acquisition of the remaining interest in its home goods section, CJ Wow Shop, transforming it into a complete unit of the group. The expansion of Media Prima's home product section has been aided by its vast broadcast reach, which accounts for more than 35% of worldwide audience share. CJ Wow Shop also leveraged the company's total volume achieved and advanced analytics to attract customers with information subject matter. CJ Wow Shop target customers has increased dramatically since its beginning, with over 2 million registered consumers in just 4 years. Today, it creates over 1,000 live show slots every month and sells 85% of its products locally. When it released its e-commerce sites and mobile shopping apps, which has had 1.6 million installations to date, the corporation became one of Malaysia's most accessible and popular sources for home purchasing goods. CJ Wow Shop turnaround was facilitated by a 34% increase in income to 152.8 million compared to 114.3 million in the previous quarter. This includes increasing revenues from its e-commerce and mobile commerce platform, which accounted for more than 52% of total sales. Media Prima Berhad net profit for the third quarter ended September 30, 2021 decreased 38.63% to 7.63 million, dropping from 12.43 million to year earlier when a one-time recognition of rental rebates of 6.9 million was recognized. According to the Media Group's Broma Malaysia filing, earnings per share decreased to 0.69 cents from 1.12 cents. quarterly sales fell 4% to 257.31 million, down from 268.77 million in the same period the previous year, due primarily to reduced home shopping revenue. Net profit declined from 19.33 million in second quarter 2021 to 19.33 million in third quarter 2021, as sales fell to 12% from 292.45 million.
The first strength of Media Prima is established company with strong brand presence in Malaysia. Media Prima is the home of Malaysia's oldest newspaper, the most watched TV channel and local news show, the biggest out-of-home advertiser, numerous radio channels and social channels. Next, entrepreneurial spirit with its focus on growth and innovation. Media Prima Berhad also focus on digital media has caused it to move many of its traditional business online, such as TV channel now have collaboration with YouTube. Newspaper are going through website and mobile apps and can be accessed online. Lastly, strong and dynamic and visionary leadership and corporate structure that is not afraid of change. In Media Prima Berhad, many subsidiaries with different target market to capture the lion's share of market possible because of existing of the transformational leadership in the company to lead the subsidiary becoming success. But the weakness of Media Prima is high cost due to licensing and copyright issue in the import of product. The television subsidiary incur high cost due to licensing and copyright issue in the import of product and also take times to get the right of the products. Next, focus on local content drive Malaysian to look elsewhere for international content. Media Prima Berhad is to focus on local content and makes Malaysians start to search for international content. For opportunity, digital media has a larger and greater reach market penetration than traditional media. Overseas expansion through partnership and establishment of new subsidiary can also be achieved easily as the internet made the communication distance become shorter. Next, Malaysia is increasingly recognized by overseas market, opening opportunity for expansion. As day goes by, Malaysia is rapidly gaining the recognition of the overseas market, and this will create opportunity for Media Prima Berhad to go for global and join the international market. For threat, traditional media such as television and newspaper are slowly going obsolete. Inconvenience is the hindrance of the younger breed, and they would prefer to have everything available on a single platform. As a result, they would choose to access media via the internet. Lastly, overseas market are entering the Malaysian market and taking up Malaysian market share. All the platforms such as Netflix, Viu, Disney Hotstar, and etc. see this as opportunity for their company to expand their business and widen the range of people using their product. Now I will present future direction of Media Prima. Media Prima collaborated to expand their content into more global markets in order to establish itself as a leader in digital-first content. Media Prima collaborated with well-known international platforms to meet the demand for high-quality content. For example, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Viu, iQIYI, and VTV. Second, Media Prima intends to transform into an e-commerce company with the goal of becoming a market leader. Media Prima launched WowShop. WowShop offers high-quality goods and services that aim to improve people's lives. WowShop's long-term goal is to remain resilient. So, Media Prima increased their viewership and followers across their social media platform by creating more interesting content and becoming a more digitally driven and profitable company. Furthermore, Media Prima makes improvement to the company's future looks, activity, and expectation. Firstly, Media Prima strives to maintain integrity at all times. Secondly, Media Prima encourages and supports communities by making a contribution. Thirdly, Media Prima develops a strategy for delivering innovative solutions. Lastly, Media Prima creates positive change by reducing the environmental impacts of activity and promoting protection of the environment.
Suggestion on appropriate strategies for the company. The first strategy is reasonable prices and favorable to consumers. Among the marketing and sales strategies that need to be considered to attract customers is pricing. As a business that has a lot of competition with other businesses, Media Prima Berhad must constantly monitor the prices of their products. For example, the price they charge for the producers who wants to broadcast their dramas or movie in Media Prima television channels. Media Prima also need to monitor prices offered by their competitors. This is the strategies that can help their business to compete with their competitors. The second one is quality products and services. The quality of a products and services that offered by Media Prima need to have an ability to attract customer as well as ability to be useful for the customer. For example, Media Prima as the largest newspaper publishing in Malaysia, such as New Straits Times, Berita Harian and Harian Metro, must always maintain the quality and authenticity of information published so that their products will always be sustainable and become the main sources for the people to get latest and reliable news in Malaysia. The third strategy is innovating new products and services. Innovating new products and services is also a good business strategy to compete with other businesses. As we know, sometimes we need to make changes in some things as well as introducing new methods, ideas and products. This happens as time changes and people start to have a variety of new interests. The fourth strategy is making a unique and different products. To compete with other businesses, we need to create something unique that have never been invented before, just like Potter's competitive strategies, which is differentiation strategies whereby we need to make a product that is unique and it also have superior value for the consumers. For that, consumer will always choose to buy our products instead of buying from our competitors. The last strategy is collaborate with other company. Collaboration can be a good strategy to grow our business into a bigger and more successful business. Collaboration is also beneficial to a business to share resources and grant opportunities as well as knowledge and more exposure. In addition, if a company collaborates with foreign company, there is a big possibility for their products will become famous in other countries. The company is also able to generate big profit when people across the world know and buy their products.